This is servo stabilizer LCD control board. Yes, now we are going to work with three works. The one is first we should test the triac board and setting the calibration, input output voltage calibration. After that and setting parameters. Okay, now we are going to on the board digital servo stabilizer. Okay, the display will showing the output voltage and input voltage, R phase, Y phase, B phase. Okay, now we are going to test the triac is working or not. Okay, how to test the triac board? Yes, just go to the auto or manual button, just press the long press. The display will showing the verification password. During the triac board testing, compulsory this value should be 0. Now we are going to press test button. When we press the test button, these LEDs are blinking in some order. Okay, yes, these LEDs are blinking some order. At the same time, the auto transformer arms are moving some linear manner. One is anti-clockwise direction, another one is clockwise direction. Okay, these three arms are moving same manner. If it is moving same manner, it is working properly. Okay, and the next we are going to calibrate the input and output voltages. Yes, now we put the password. The password is 291. Okay, set parameters and input output voltages. Now we are going to set the input output. Now we are going to setting the parameters of 3-phase LCD servo stabilizer control card. Okay, how to enter the set mode? Yes, we need to press auto manual button. We should press long press. When it is enter the verification password settings, we can release the button. Okay, now we should set the password. The password is 291. Okay, log is the next button. Setting the parameters. Yes, first we should set the parameters. First parameter is set voltage. Set voltage is 230 or required set voltage. We can change this voltage value by using these stop and start buttons. Okay, I fix this 230 value. Okay, the next one is sensitive voltage. Sensitive voltage is plus or minus of set voltage. Now we put it plus or minus 8 volt for this device. We can change this value by using these buttons. Yes, just I change the sensitive voltage value 8 to 5. I press next to log button. Okay, the next is output load current. The output load current is 5 ohms. Okay. The next is output low voltage. Output low voltage is 200 volt. If any changes, you can change this output low voltage. And the next one is output high voltage. Output high voltage is 260. And the next one is input low voltage. Next is input high voltage is 270. CT ratio 1662. If any if any current transformer coil is changes. For example, we put the value for the coil in 30:5 ratio coil. If any changes, you should change this value. Okay. The next one is on delay time is 3 seconds. Cutoff delay time is 3 seconds. Load off delay time is 3 seconds. The next one is mechanical error low voltage, and the next one is mechanical error high voltage. This is auto or manual mode. We can change this auto mode or manual mode. Okay, I put this device in auto mode. After that, phase sequence is if we need to check any phase sequence, on the time we can put yes. If it is no, we can put no. Okay. After that, earth voltage is same manner as well as phase sequence. Okay. The next is input output voltage calibration. If no need for any input voltage output voltage calibration, just put no and press the next button, saving the parameter. It will automatically exit from the setting mode. Okay. The output LED is going to on. This output LED also will on. Okay.
Okay, done.
Input output voltage calibration. Select yes or no type. We should select yes and press the log button. Yes, it shows some random analog values. Yes. I connect the multimeter to our board. These 3 lines are input lines. These 4 lines are output lines. This one is phase, neutral. First, we should put input R phase voltage. This is input line. Input R phase voltage. We should measure the multimeter by using multimeter. The input R phase voltage is 246. Yes, now we are going to fix the 246 value. Yes. The next one is input Y phase voltage. Input Y phase voltage is 248. We are going to set the 248 value in Y phase. At the last, we measure the input B phase voltage. Input B phase voltage is 246. Input B phase voltage is 246. We set the 246 value in voltage input B phase. Yes. And the next, we are going to set the output voltages. In output voltages, measure from this resistance. Output voltage is 231. Output R phase voltage is 231. We should set 231. Output. The next one is output Y phase voltage is 232. Output Y phase voltage is 232. And the next is output B phase voltage. In output voltages, measure from this resistance. Output voltage is 231. Output R phase voltage is 231. We should set 231. Output, the next one is output Y phase voltage is 232. Output Y phase voltage is 232. And the next is output B phase voltage is 229. At final, we should press log button, saving the parameters. Now we can check the set input and output voltages correct, showing input and output voltages correct or not. First we should measure output RYB voltages. Output R voltage is 230, multimeter showing 230 or 231, our device showing 231. And output Y phase voltage is 231, our device showing 229. And output B phase voltage is 229, our device showing 229. And also we can measure input R phase voltage is 247, multimeter showing, our device showing 246. And input Y phase voltage 249, our device showing 247. And input B phase voltage is 245, our device showing 245. Yes, it's almost correct. Okay.